So recently, manga edits are on trend on TikTok, YouTube, and even Instagram. Well, today I was watching one of them and saw the comment section was filled asking for a tutorial on how to create spin transitions like this.
Stop! Stop!
Well, this video is about that. Don't judge me for that. So we are going to create this spin transitions using Capcut Pro, but if you want, you can use Capcut normal version, but if you need Capcut Pro, then you can DM me in Instagram. Make sure to follow. First add your clips like I did and set the duration as you want. Then go to animations and choose swing bottom as in animation. Do this with all panels. Make sure to add 3 keyframes on every panels. The first keyframe should be at the starting, the second one in middle, and the third one in the end of panels. Now follow what I do next. Now it's time to add some amazing effects. Go to Effects and search Astral and add it on your video. Now follow my settings and make sure to do the same on yours. Now copy the effects 3 times and slide one of them into the next layer. Now go Effects, and then go to Distortion section and add Ripple Distortion Effect. Set the effect duration as long as your video. Now add a keyframe at the starting and do the settings. Then add another keyframe at the end and do the settings. Then make this work on every layers like this. After that, Copy the effect layer and put it on every panel. Then export the video and make sure to keep it 60 FPS. That's all for the transitions. But wait, it's not yet finished. There is a bonus tutorial for you guys. What you guys have to do is adding your video in a new project. Go to motion blur. Now increase the amount of motion blur as you want. Put this into twice and click the tick mark. After that, it will start generating motion blur on your video, which will make your video 10 times better. Well, that's all for today's tutorial. If you like the tutorial, then make sure to subscribe for more.